Hi, I'm Heather, your Cheap Tickets Deal Finder, bringing you a special segment on how you can save big on your holiday travel. Now, even though airlines are cutting capacity and airfares have been way up this year, you can still find a great deal on your holiday travel. So I wanted to bring you some tips and tricks on how you can save big on your holiday trip this year. Now, tip number one is you want to book early. Holidays are peak travel times. Everybody wants to get away, so the earlier you book, the more you'll save. Tip number two is be flexible. Rather than staying at a popular city, look to some of the hotels in outlying areas like suburbs or just outside the city, and you'll save big on your hotel rate. Tip number three, you want to book together. When you book your flight plus hotel package together, you can save upwards of $200 versus booking those components individually. And tip number four is look for off-season deals. Right now, you can go to the Cheap Tickets Off-Season Deals Report and you'll see our top 10 recommendations on where you can actually save money during the holidays. Now, if you want to find out more on great deals, please go to our Off-Season Deals Report at cheaptickets.com, or you can check out the Cheap of the Week tab at cheaptickets.com. And have a great holiday season.